Hi everyone, welcome back to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. In this video, we are reviewing a ponytail found on Amazon. The Amazon vendor's name is Klaiyi here, and we are reviewing their Afro Puff Kinky Curly Ponytail. The ponytail that I ordered is 8 inches long. So here's the package from Amazon. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open the package. It looks like we have some goodies in the bag. The first item they give you is some eyelashes. It looks like the lashes were the only free goodies in this package. So let's go ahead and take a look at the hair. The hair comes in a Ziploc bag, so the hair is attached to this paper. Let's cut it out. Okay, let's get started. First thing is initial shedding, so I'm going to comb my fingers through the hair. There is no shedding in this hair. No hair is coming out at all, so kudos to that. Next topic is true to length. This ponytail is supposed to be 8 inches long, so we can double check that. Okay, so I picked the curl from the edge of the ponytail and I drew it all the way down, and it does come to 8 inches long. So when you stretch out the curl, it does stretch out to the 8-inch mark, see? So it is safe to say that this ponytail is true to length, so kudos to that. So the next topic is smell. This ponytail smells like brand new hair. It does not smell at all, so kudos to that. The texture is soft. It feels nice, so that's good. The vendor says that this texture is supposed to be kinky, curly, 3A/3B human hair texture. You know, when you have a ponytail, you want it to look like your natural hair, and I believe that's what this company is going for when they're selling this product. They want this ponytail to help you fool people to think that it's your hair. So the more that I comb through it, it's actually looking more and more natural. So it should blend nicely with your hair whenever you put it up in a ponytail. Next topic is tangles. As I am combing my fingers through the hair, there is a hesitation for it to comb all the way through, but it does come all the way through. You know, these are curls and I expect my fingers to get stuck within the curls, honestly. So that's not a problem for me at all. And the ends, they all look good. The ends are nicely cut, they're not dry, and this poof overall appears to be an even length, so kudos to that. And the last thing to talk about is the structure. So this is the ponytail. As you can see, I've picked out majority of the curls. This ponytail actually looks more kinky when it's picked out, which actually works better for me because my natural hair is very kinky. And this is the other side that you will attach to your hair. This ponytail was created on a net, so it should be very breathable and comfortable to wear. So it does come with 2 wig clips, one on the top, one on the bottom. And here is the drawstring to secure it tightly to your bun. It literally curls up pretty tight. Here, let's see. Let's pull the drawstring. The drawstrings work fairly well because they tighten up the ponytail really good. The drawstrings tighten up the ponytail into a little ball, which is a good sign for a ponytail security. The wig clips are here, but this is the tightest that this ponytail will secure. For extra security, of course, for ponytails, you already know, add bobby pins so it can stick more firmly to your bun. So that is all for this ponytail. I think that this ponytail will be a super cute ponytail to wear as a protective hairstyle. Or this would be great to have on a day when your hair is not cooperating, you know, because that does happen. Put your hair in one, slap some gel on it, add the ponytail, hit the door, and you're good. You have a quick hairstyle in minutes. But that's all for this video, just a quick show and tell. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, definitely comment down below. If you like this ponytail, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to be subscribed to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. Until next time, see you later. Bye.